Welcome everyone to my channel where I talk about new dApps and DeFi projects. In this video I want to share an amazing free website that will save you a ton of time and money if you have invested in Drip, the Drip Garden, the Animal Farm or the Piggy Bank. The website is called DeFiBuddy.com. This website is an incredible time saver, and I highly recommend you to check it out. At the top of the page you can see my Metamask wallet address. Below the wallet address is the current price of Drip, the Drip BUSD token contract, your total deposit, your claimed amount, referral rewards, max payout and your Drip team, if you have one. You can make a new simulation by clicking this button, and here you can change the price of Drip, the times you compound or move the slider to increase the days. Let's for example compound Drip for 6 days, and claim on day 7. On the right side, the data will automatically adjust and display the future value of your investment. Click on the question mark icon if you need more help to use this tool. Below the Drip community column is the Drip Garden information in real time. Here's the total amount of plants that I have in the garden, and I can also check how many plants I earn in one day, how many plants are currently available to compound or claim, and some other detailed info. If we visit the Drip Garden, we can see the same amount of plants that are shown on the DeFi Buddy site, so there's no more need to switch between different browsers all the time. Next is the Pig Pen and the Pigs and Dogs token stakes and earnings. At this time, the Dogs and Pigs pools and farms are paused, so there's no info here. And below is the Piggy Bank information. Here are all the stakes that I have in the Piggy Bank. At this moment, I have 8 stakes, all with different time locks. The longer you stake your Pigs BUSD tokens in the Piggy Bank, the more interest you earn. If you time lock your Pigs BUSD tokens in the contract, you cannot claim any rewards before the time lock ends, but you will earn an amazing percentage by that time. You can also not take out your initial investment. As long as the stake is locked, you can only compound or deposit more tokens. You can only start claiming your interest when the time lock expires. If you are new to the Piggy Bank, and want to find out how you can join the world's best DeFi contract, check out the Piggy Bank video tutorial on my channel. I will drop the link below. You can see when the time lock of your stake ends in the orange text. The green data shows the time it takes to create a new piglet, and here on the left top is the payout percentage that you will earn. The other details are the available amount of piglets and truffles that are in my stakes, and how many truffles and piglets I earn every day. It's very important to remember that you need to compound your truffle rewards every day for as long as you have locked your stake, or you will lose out on your payout. The orange timer here will help you keep track so you won't forget to compound your truffles and secure your percentage. If you want to find out more details about the different contracts, you can click the links on the left for more insights. This website is amazing and absolutely free to use. If you want to show your appreciation to the dev, please copy this wallet address and make a donation. There's an email address where you can reach out to if you have any questions, or join his Twitter or YouTube. If you are not already in the Animal Farm, Drip Network, the Piggy Bank or Drip Garden, you are missing out on a lot of money. Forex Shark, the lead developer behind all these smart contracts, has many plans for Drip and the Animal Farm. He just announced a major partnership with ApeSwap, where you will be able to deposit Drip and earn yield, and he will soon launch a lottery system with scratch tickets that you can buy with Drip or Pigs, and much more stuff is in the pipeline to help boost the price of Drip and Pigs. If you want to get in on any of his projects, please feel free to use my referral links in the description below. I will make a small commission, but the money will not come from your wallet. It is paid from the contract balance, so it won't cost you anything. Whatever you choose, your support is always much appreciated. Remember that I am not a financial advisor. I only show you what I do. I make these videos for entertainment purposes only and I can't predict the future, so don't blame me when things don't work out. Always do your own research and never invest money that you can't afford to lose in crypto. If you need more help, or have questions, please post a question in my Telegram or Discord group, or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching all the way. If you like my content, please share, leave a like, or subscribe to my channel and hit the small bell icon to hear about my latest videos first. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.